Hello everyone, this is Marlin Carter again, and welcome to Market with Marlin, Power Lead System and Traffic Monsoon. I am a marketer online, and I've been marketing online for a while now, and my main focus is finding ways to advertise my primary business and the way to make a second income from home. Now this is me right here sitting at my home in the comfort of my home, just playing around the computer. But I wanted to show you, if you're interested, wanted to show you a way that you can promote any business that you want to with this marketing system that I use each and every day. And I wanted to show you a way that you could get traffic and more traffic to your business or whatever you are advertising online. And this is a short slideshow that I have made through PowerPoint. It's just a few pictures just to introduce myself and to show you what I'm doing as far as promoting my business online. This is the Power Lead system that generate leads, and it's a great amount of quality leads on autopilot. You can be at work, or you could be asleep, and this system would be working for you. And it's called a Power Lead system, and I'm glad that I use it each and every day to promote my business. And I have generated leads through this system, almost 1,000 leads now. And my messages are going out through the Power Lead system to them to promote my primary business. And you can use these leads that you generate with the Power Lead system to promote anything that you want to promote to these leads, and they don't have to accept what you are promoting to them. All they have to do is unsubscribe from the system. And this is just a photo of the Power Lead system getting started page. And I'm loving this system, and once you get started, you can come over to the getting started page and you see the first photo, and the topic is getting started in 3 simple steps. Now this is Traffic Monsoon. Monsoon is a way that you can generate a lot of traffic to your website or to your business opportunity that you are promoting. And we're just going to go over, I use both of these systems. They go hand in hand with each other. You'll understand more of what I mean by hand in hand with each other once you join up. You can join Traffic Monsoon for free, and you can get into the Power Lead system through the free lead system. Okay, we're going to go over here to my website just to show you a little bit about Traffic Monsoon. And the Traffic Monsoon philosophy, usually the term monsoon is used to refer to the rainy phase of a seasonally changing pattern. It's a time when quasi semi-deserts are turned into vivid green grasslands where all sorts of plants and crops can prosper. We believe that monsoons are powerful and significant in nature and symbolize a shift in desert condition to a full, vibrant period of growth and prosperity. This, of course, is the accomplished through using a system of traffic that influence the circumstances of an internet business to reverse any failure, bring about much greater visibility in the market, and cause an excess of exposure for your business, cause strong amount discussion wins, and bring about heavy amounts of converting website visitors, cache links, These are paid to click links which appear on your dashboard and reward you with extra cash. Cash links are a great way to show other members what else you're involved with and invite them to join you. Now, this is a powerful system, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to read every word to you about this powerful traffic monsoon, whereas you can present your links or put your links in, and you can have your links shown globally. It is a web sharing service program that you can use to promote any business. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video, and I would like for you to just come and look at it. Join up for free, the Traffic Monsoon. Then I will put a link to the Power Lead system where you can generate leads to your business. And this is something that everyone that is promoting their business online you need tools to promote your business. And I make videos to explain to people how awesome and how magnificent these tools are, and you definitely need these type of tools to promote any business that you may have. At the bottom of this video, YouTube video, click on that link at the bottom and get started for free with Traffic Monsoon, and go to see what Power Lead system is all about. And again, I am Marlin Carter from Dallas, Texas. Market with me, market with Marlin, Power Lead system, and Traffic Monsoon. Market with Marlin is my domain name, and I will see you soon, and you can market with Marlin. I must say, bye-bye.